Hello! Welcome to Get Started with Facebook. I'm Marika, and in this video, I'll be explaining the ratings and reviews section of your business's Facebook page. Think about the last time you looked online for a new restaurant or tried to find a good hotel in a new city. How did you know if you could trust the service? How do you know if they'll have the little details you love? Room service? Let's talk about ratings and reviews on your Facebook page. Your page will have ratings and reviews turned on by default. Even when you don't have any ratings and reviews, we recommend showing people that you're willing to be transparent about people's experience with your business. If for any reason you want to turn ratings and reviews off, you can. At the top of your page, click Settings. Click Edit Page and look for the Reviews section. Click Settings. Next to Show Reviews, toggle the switch to Off and click Save. And now you know the basics of ratings and reviews on your Facebook page. Nice work! Keep watching for more tips.